Hello guys, welcome back to the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to reply to Instagram comments with GIF. You can actually reply a comment with GIF if you follow this step. First thing you have to know is you have to update your Instagram app if it's out of date and you cannot find the GIF icon anywhere around your Instagram. Yeah, so you can just go to Play Store, type Instagram and update it. So let's get right into the video. Start by clicking on your Instagram app, just like this. Yeah, and let's just comment right here. As you can see the comments icon right there, you click right there, right? And as you can see right here, you can see this smiling right here, the GIF sign. So you just click right there, and this is the avatar stickers, and here right you can see the GIF sign. Click right there and you can see all the GIF, right? So can just scroll and pick any one of your choice you want to send. Right, just click right here. So I've just commented with the GIF in this comment section. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.